Choosing the right CPU cooler can make a huge difference in temps, stability, and even frame rates. From premium air coolers to powerful AIOs, here are the best CPU coolers of 2025. All tested, trusted, and highly rated for performance. First up, the Noctua NH-D15 G2, one of the most highly anticipated air coolers of the year. This upgraded version of the legendary NH-D15 features a dual-tower design with next-gen fin-stack geometry for optimized airflow and heat dissipation. It comes with two 140mm PWM fans tuned for lower noise and better pressure, and supports all modern sockets including AMD AM5 and Intel LGA 1851/1700. Ideal for high-end CPUs and overclocking, this cooler delivers exceptionally quiet performance under heavy load and is perfect for serious builders who want reliable long-term cooling without moving parts prone to wear. Next, if you're looking for liquid cooling, the Arctic Liquid Freezer 3 Pro 360 A-RGB is an absolute beast. This 360mm AIO features three 120mm high static pressure fans, a 38mm thick radiator, and Arctic's upgraded PWM control pump with integrated VRM fan, delivering full system cooling, not just for the CPU. It's compatible with AMD AM5/AM4 and Intel LGA 1851/1700, and includes a contact frame for better CPU mounting pressure. With addressable RGB and low noise operation, this is perfect for high-end gaming PCs and workstations that need top-tier thermal control. Now, the Thermalright Peerless Assassin 120S EV2 continues to punch way above its price point. This dual-tower air cooler features 6 heat pipes using AGHP Gen 5.0 tech for efficient heat transfer and reduced thermal resistance. It's equipped with dual 120mm 1,850 RPM PWM fans that balance airflow and low noise beautifully. Supporting Intel 1851, 1700, and older 115X sockets, plus AMD AM4 and AM5, this cooler offers near-flagship cooling at a fraction of the price. If you want a powerful air cooler on a budget, this one's a no-brainer. If you prefer a more compact tower with solid performance, check out the Scythe Mugen 6 CPU air cooler. With a single tower design and a finely tuned 120mm fan, this cooler supports a wide range of sockets including Intel LGA 1700 and AMD AM5. It uses an aluminum top cover for better aesthetics, and its optimized fin density makes it highly efficient for mid-range to high-end CPUs without taking over your case. It's great for builders with smaller cases or those looking for a clean, balanced cooling solution. And last but not least, the Be Quiet. PureRock 2FX is a stylish and surprisingly powerful cooler for systems under 150 watts TDP. It features a 120mm A-RGB fan, black anodized aluminum fins, and 4 high-performance heat pipes. With support for Intel's full desktop socket range, 1700, 1200, 115X, and 2066, as well as AMD AM4 and AM5, it fits nearly any build. The PureRock 2FX excels at keeping things cool and quiet, making it perfect for casual gamers, silent builds, or anyone wanting reliable performance with a touch of RGB flair. Which cooler do you trust with your CPU? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to upgrade, I've linked all these coolers down in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay cool. I'll see you in the next one.